Hello, friends, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. I'm absolutely thrilled to take you on this magical farmhouse Christmas journey today. We're exploring how rustic charm meets holiday elegance in every corner of this beautiful home. From twinkling lights to vintage-inspired accents, you'll discover practical decorating tips that bring warmth and character to your space. If you love cozy, inviting holiday decor, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to transform your home, and drop a comment below sharing your favorite farmhouse Christmas tradition. Let's start where your guest's experience begins: the exterior. Picture a classic farmhouse facade adorned with a lush evergreen garland draping across the porch railing, accented with weathered wooden stars and rustic lanterns flanking the front door. The key to achieving authentic farmhouse style is embracing natural materials and vintage elements. Consider hanging a generous magnolia leaf wreath on your door, tied with a burlap ribbon featuring subtle plaid accents. Galvanized metal buckets filled with fresh pine branches and red berry stems add that perfect touch of country elegance. String warm white Edison bulbs along the roofline to create welcoming ambience without overwhelming the rustic aesthetic we're cultivating throughout this tour. Step inside to the entryway, where functionality meets festive charm beautifully. This transitional space sets the tone for your entire home's holiday aesthetic. A distressed white bench with turn legs provides seating for removing boots, while offering storage underneath for winter accessories. Above it, a reclaimed wood-board damp batten well displays vintage brass hooks holding plaid scarves, cozy knit hats, and evergreen mini wreaths. The shiplap backdrop creates wonderful textural interest that's quintessentially farmhouse. A galvanized metal tray growls keys and mail, while a chunky knit basket tucked beneath the bench keeps mittens organized. This entryway balances practical everyday needs with seasonal decoration seamlessly. The foundation of your entryway design deserves thoughtful consideration, especially during the snowy season. Layer a traditional jute rug beneath a festive quarry format featuring a simple Merry Christmas or classic plaid pattern. This provides both texture and practical dirt-catching functionality. The natural fiber aesthetic complements farmhouse style while being durable enough for high-traffic holiday entertaining. Consider the layering technique. Place your seasonal mat atop a larger neutral jute rug to create visual depth and define the space. This approach also protects your flooring from winter's harsh elements while maintaining that warm, inviting atmosphere. The neutral tones allow your decorative elements to truly shine throughout the season. Above the entryway bench, a large arched mirror with a distressed black metal frame becomes both functional and decorative. Mirrors in entryways serve the practical purpose of last-minute appearance checks while visually expanding. Smaller spaces are design principle we call spatial amplification. Frame your mirror with a simple garland of eucalyptus and white pine, allowing some sprigs to cascade naturally down one side. Tuck in dried orange slices and cinnamon sticks for aromatic appeal. Flank the mirror with vintage-style hurricane lanterns on the wool-mounted shelf, each holding battery-operated pillar candles for safe, flickering ambience. This vertical arrangement draws the eye upward, making your entryway feel more spacious and thoughtfully curated. Every functional farmhouse entryway needs clever storage, and Christmas offers the perfect opportunity to make it beautiful. A rustic wooden shoe cabinet with a weathered finish keeps footwear neatly hidden, while its top surface becomes prime real estate for holiday vignettes. Range a collection of mercury glass votives, pinecones dusted with artificial snow, and a small wooden joy sign across the cabinet top. Inside, adjustable shelves accommodate everything from snow boots to dress shoes. The beauty of farmhouse design lies in pieces that work year-round, but adapt seasonally. This cabinet maintains its charm whether decorated for Christmas or simply styled with a potted fern and vintage books during other seasons. Moving into the living room, we're embracing the concept of layered coziness, a hallmark of farmhouse Christmas design. The foundation starts with a neutral palette, a linen slip-covered sofa adorned with plaid throw pillows in traditional red and cream, plus chunky cable knit blankets draped casually over the arm. A reclaimed wood coffee table becomes the focal point, styled with a wooden dough bowl filled with fresh greenery, mercury glass ornaments, and pillar candles in varying heights. The Christmas tree stands majestically in the corner, decorated with burlap ribbon, wooden bead garland, and simple white lights, nothing overly glittery or modern. Galvanized buckets at the tree's base hold wrapped presents, reinforcing the authentic farmhouse aesthetic throughout. If you're fortunate enough to have a fireplace, the mantel becomes your living room's crowning glory this season. Start with a lush garland base reel or high-quality fox draped generously across the entire length. Weave in warm white fairy lights for that magical glow during evening hours. Create asymmetrical balance by placing a large lantern on one side filled with pinecones and battery candles, then grouping 3 white ceramic houses in graduating sizes on the opposite end. This technique, called visual weight distribution, keeps your mantel interesting without feeling cluttered. Add candlesticks in varying heights throughout, incorporating mercury glass and weathered wood finishes. Tuck in sprigs of red berries and frosted pine for pops of color and texture. The dining room embodies gathered celebration, where farmhouse style truly shines during the holidays. Picture a solid wood farmhouse table, that classic trestle or turn-leg design set for a festive meal. A burlap or natural linen table runner travels down the center, providing a neutral foundation for your seasonal tablescape. Layered place settings begin with woven rattan chargers, topped with white stoneware plates and buffalo check napkins tied with twine and a sprig of fresh rosemary. This herb serves double duty as both aromatic decor and a thoughtful take-home favor. Mason jars filled with cranberries and floating candles alternate with small potted white poinsettias down the table's length. Vintage brass candlesticks complete the warm, inviting scene. Don't overlook the impact of overhead elements in your dining space. A statement chandelier, perhaps a wooden bead or wagon wheel design, deserves seasonal attention too. Drape a simple garland with red berries around the chandelier's base, allowing some tendrils to hang down naturally, but not obstruct the light. This creates a beautiful focal point when guests look up and adds dimension to your overall dining room design. Consider the rule of thirds when decorating. Divide your visual space into 3 levels: table surface, eye-level walls, and ceiling elements. By addressing all 3, you create a cohesive, well-designed environment that feels complete. The warm glow from your chandelier combined with candlelight creates that irresistible ambience perfect for holiday gatherings. The kitchen deserves festive attention while maintaining its functionality during busy holiday cooking. Open shelving, a farmhouse kitchen staple, becomes perfect display space for Christmas-themed pottery, vintage enamelware, and seasonal decor. Swap everyday items for cream-colored pitchers filled with evergreen branches, red berry stems, and white-painted birch branches. Your farmhouse sink area can be enhanced with a small wreath hung on the window above, allowing natural light to shine through its framework. A wooden tray on the counter corrals frequently used items, perhaps your coffee maker and sugar canister, while a ceramic bowl nearby holds fresh oranges studded with cloves, filling your kitchen with natural, spicy sweet Christmas fragrance throughout the day. Your kitchen cabinets and appliances can participate in the Christmas celebration subtly. If you have glass front upper cabinets, tuck small battery-operated string lights behind dishes for a gentle glow during evening hours. Drape a simple garland across the top of your cabinets if space allows, letting it cascade down the sides naturally. For stainless steel appliances like your refrigerator, less is more. Perhaps a magnetic wreath holder with a small eucalyptus and pine wreath keeps things festive without overwhelming the space. Near your vintage-style stove, a galvanized metal caddy holds wooden spoons and whisks alongside sprigs of evergreen. Your small coffee station becomes extra special with a chalkboard sign reading, "But first, coffee and Christmas cheer," surrounded by pinecones and cinnamon sticks. The family room offers a more relaxed atmosphere than your formal living room, perfect for movie nights and casual holiday gatherings. Center your seating arrangement around the flat screen TV, perhaps mounted above a reclaimed wood console table. Style this console with a low-profile arrangement so it doesn't obstruct viewing. A long wooden tray filled with battery candles, small bottle brush trees in vintage green, and scattered pinecones creates festive interest without height issues. Oversized floor pillows in buffalo check patterns provide extra seating for kids during Christmas movie marathons. A chunky knit post serves as both footrest and additional seating. The sectional sofa gets dressed in layers of texture fox fur throws, plaid pillows, and cable knit cushions, and creams and reds create that irresistible nesting feeling. Your home office space deserves holiday cheer too, especially if you're working from home during the season. A simple wooden desk with clean lines maintains farmhouse authenticity while providing workspace. On one corner, a small vintage-style radio adds character and provides background Christmas music while you work. A unique small brass desk clock with Roman numerals brings both functionality and decorative interest. These timeless pieces embody farmhouse style's appreciation for vintage functionality. Keep your desktop relatively clear for productivity, but add a small mason jar filled with peppermint sticks and a miniature wooden Christmas tree beside your laptop. A buffalo check desk pad protects your surface while reinforcing the seasonal theme. Wall-mounted wooden shelves above the desk can display vintage books with Christmas-themed covers interspersed with small farmhouse decor elements. Create a dedicated reading nook within your multi-purpose space or personal retreat during the busy holiday season. Position a comfortable upholstered armchair near a window, upholstered in natural linen or soft gray fabric. Drape a red and cream plaid throw over one arm, instantly ready for snuggling with a good book. A small round side table with turn legs holds your current reading glasses, and a white ceramic mug for hot cocoa. A gooseneck floor lamp with a brass finish provides adjustable task lighting, both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Above the chair, hang a simple wreath of mixed evergreens, or create a small gallery wall of vintage Christmas postcards in mismatched wooden frames. This intentional space encourages those quiet moments of reflection the holiday season deserves. The bedroom should feel like a peaceful escape, even during the bustling Christmas season. Your farmhouse bed, whether it's a wrought iron frame or weatherwood design, becomes the focal point for subtle seasonal styling. Layer your bedding thoughtfully. Start with crisp white sheets, add a cream or gray duvet, then top with a plaid or fair owl patterned throw folded at the foot. Resist the urge to over-decorate here. Instead, focus on a few impactful touches. A fresh greenery garland drape across the headboard or footboard, secured with natural twine and dotted with pinecones, brings nature indoors. Your nightstands each hold a mercury glass votive candle and perhaps a small evergreen sprig in a vintage bottle. Simple wooden bead garland strung across a mirror or window adds texture without overwhelming the restful atmosphere. Don't overlook the bathroom when spreading Christmas cheer throughout your farmhouse. Even this utilitarian space benefits from thoughtful seasonal touches. Replace your everyday hand towels with festive buffalo check or ticking stripe versions in red and cream. A galvanized metal tray on the vanity growls essential items, hand soap in a vintage-style dispenser, a small jar of cotton balls, and a bud vase holding a single sprig of evergreen with berries. Above the wasteful vessel sink, a simple wreath hung from twine adds farmhouse Christmas charm without requiring wall damage. In the shower area, consider a eucalyptus bundle tied to the shower head. The steam releases its refreshing, spa-like scent during your holiday morning routine. A small wooden ladder in the corner holds rolled towels tied with jute ribbon and holly sprigs. The gauge might seem purely functional, but applying farmhouse organizational principles here makes holiday decorating and storage infinitely easier. Install simple wooden shelving units along the walls, using galvanized metal bins and wooden crates to organize decorations by room or type. Label each container with chalkboard-style tags for easy identification next season. Hang a pegboard wall section with vintage-style hooks to store wreaths, garlands, and other hanging decorations. This prevents crushing and maintains their shape during off-season storage. A dedicated workbench area with good lighting allows for crafting projects or wreath making. Keep the aesthetic consistent with your home's interior by choosing weathered wood finishes and metal accents rather than plastic storage solutions. This approach ensures your garage remains an extension of your farmhouse style rather than a cluttered afterthought. Your farmhouse patio becomes a winter wonderland extension of your indoor holiday decor. Even in colder climates, outdoor spaces can be styled beautifully for those crisp morning coffees or afternoon glimpses through the window. Range galvanized metal buckets filled with evergreen branches, birch logs, and oversized pinecones near your patio door. String warm white lights along the patio cover or pergola for evening ambience. A wooden bench gets dressed with an outdoor-appropriate plaid cushion and holds a collection of lanterns in various sizes. Grouping in odd numbers 3 or 5 creates more visual interest. A design principle called the rule of odds. If you have a covered patio, a wreath on the exterior door, and a rustic wooden sign with holiday greetings welcomes visitors before they even reach your front entryway. Friends, creating a farmhouse Christmas home is truly about embracing simplicity, natural materials, and that warm, gathered feeling we all crave during the holidays. Throughout this tour, we've explored how vintage-inspired elements, neutral foundations, and strategic pops of traditional Christmas colors create spaces that feel both festive and authentically farmhouse. Remember, you don't need to decorate every surface. The beauty of farmhouse style lies in its edited, intentional approach. Choose quality pieces that resonate with you, layer textures thoughtfully, and don't be afraid to incorporate family heirlooms or thrifted treasures that tell your unique story. If you found inspiration in today's tour, please give this video a like and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for more design content. Comment below with which room was your favorite. I absolutely love hearing from you. Happy decorating, and may your farmhouse Christmas be filled with warmth, joy, and beautiful memories.